bing, 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 bing. We're live. Here we are. It's the Beck Scrum. It's a Friday. Yeah, I'll go first. And so I've just been pairing with Brent, and we've been looking at the charity database from the Charity Commission, and I think we're both on the cusp of importing it into our respective database data buy. And before that, we had the what's called React Mob, and got through another couple of items of rally coding. And yeah, I don't think I'm blocked apart from I'm just running out of steam generally. We do have the website 1 meeting coming up, the AV community meeting later. That is me. Michael, how are things going with you?
Good. So I went to the mob this morning, and I've been looking through the Azure portal
Uh-huh.
that I got access to a while ago, but didn't really look at that much. There's a lot of different options, and it's kind of a complicated interface. And so I'm wondering, still potentially blocked on getting a virtual machine.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure. You probably didn't have time to do that, so.
I did not have time to do that, although I might have a help document that talks about how to do the thing that you want to do. But anyway, anything else blocking you, or any other plans?
No, just I would like to get something deployed into the Azure cloud and see if it start working.
Cool. Yeah, I can maybe help you with that at the end of the Scrum. Brent, how are things going with you?
Hi, yeah, good, thank you. As you just alluded to, been looking at getting the charities data in. Other than that, I guess the last thing I did a couple of days ago, which I've not spoke about, is I got the voter -- help working in async. I just need to think about the wording now. So if anybody's got any preferences, ideas, then please share them with me. But yeah, it seems to be working well. It was quite a simple thing to do in the end.
Oh, cool. Very, very cool. And you paired with Nimit on that?
Yeah, so it was sort of blind leading the blind, but we got through it. It was, yeah, it was a good session though. I enjoyed it, and I think Nimit did as well. So that was good. Yeah.
Cool. Very cool.
But yeah, no blockers. I may be having another pairing session with Fernando over the weekend, depending on his availability. So although the embedded map thing is up and working and live, when I spoke to him about it, he gave me some feedback, and he pointed out that we should write a test to check that the layout doesn't get added by other changes that people might make, because if they make a change to the volunteer controller, that could happen.
Right.
So yeah, we're going to look at writing a test that would fail if somebody, unknown to them, change that controller so that it started to display the layout again for the embedded map.
Very sensible.
But yeah, that's about it.
Yeah. Oh, great. Good show. Well, I think that's our Scrum. I was just going to ask you if you had a pull request open on the help command, and you do.
I do, yes.
Yeah, I think probably the thing to do is to merge that. Okay, I guess you like have put like a placeholder for what that help.
Exactly. Yeah. So
we need to kind of work out what that is. Yep.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I'll have a think over the weekend if I get time and put some stuff in there for people to comment on. But yeah, likewise, if anybody's got any thoughts, then just let me know.
Wonderful. Yes, good show. And then on for Michael, yeah, I do have this document here, which I just sent a link to you in data mining, which I recorded the step-by-step process of me setting up a Ubuntu instance on Azure, which in principle you could follow to create your own.
Sorry guys, I've just got to drop off.
Hey, no problem. I think we've finished the Scrum, Brent. No problem at all. Have a fantastic weekend.
You too. Thanks, gents. Bye.
Bye for now. You're muted, Michael.
Okay, so you didn't. The one thing you didn't provide was you need to be in marketplace first.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. For that search to make sense, I think.
Okay.
Search everything. When you log into the portal, you're not in the marketplace.
Okay.
16. So, you were choosing 14, but that's like out of date now.
Well, I was choosing that because that was the same as the graders, but what the ones on EC2. But yeah, feel free to choose like, you know, your preferred. Okay, so would that kind of unblock you? I can let you?
I'm not really sure.
Well, see how you go. Well, I guess we've got a few minutes. Would you rather that I went through this process in front of you now?
Sure, if you wanted to.
Yeah, we could certainly try it. I mean, then I've got somewhere I've got your SSH key. I've also got like for me, I'm forever failing to work out like what is the URL that I go to get to this. Like I do that, and then I kind of go, oh,
it's portal.azure.com.
Portal, that's what it is. Yeah.
And then it's going to be like, oh,
yeah.
It's going to ask you to log in there.
And then, and then this reminds
me redirect you.
And I reminds you that I have to go to a different browser, which is where I have my default what sits in there. But so, yeah, okay. And I can go back to...
So this is fun.
So many things in life are greatly fun. Maybe actually put that...
Oh, you did say go to Marketplace.
No, I didn't. I just added it because you were saying it.
Oh, yeah.
I was like updating the documentation in real time.
You could also tell them that they can search for Marketplace, but yeah.
And indeed, so could you. Portal.azure.com. But yeah, feel free to do a pull request, or even if you have permissions, edit this directly to make it work and be sensible. Okay, so here, yeah, okay, marketplace. Is it marketplace? I don't think I clicked in through everything there. I think I just created. You can also just click new.
Oh, okay.
So that's another way. And so then we go and look for Ubuntu.
Right. Just hit enter.
And
it'll drop down several options.
Then, so you'd prefer this one?
Or 17, whatever.
Okay.
I don't really know.
I don't know either. So let's try 16.04. Sounds like it's had a few. So this would be automated premium.
Sure.
And then I would need to go and find my public key.
What are the disk types? We don't necessarily need a solid state for this.
No, I mean, we'll do the cheapest thing in the first instance. So ID RSA dot pub. And then I think we can't have username Ubuntu. Okay. What did I do last time? Yeah, I did Ubuntu last time. Yeah. Okay. Candles. Like so. Create new. Each US, that's where you are. So, okay. Bing bong. And then, so basically, I just take,
You can choose HDD. That's probably cheaper.
You reckon?
I think so. I think it's just a spinning disk, but I guess it doesn't matter.
Doesn't seem to be.
Wow.
I'll just take the cheaper one.
So their minimum for a box is $74?
I guess.
Is that like a dedicated box or what?
I don't know. I guess like it's in, Bill Gates gets one out of his shed every time we do this.
Seems fairly high.
It does, but that's the minimum spec. I mean, it's Microsoft. They love doing expensive things. So then I think I've just done that. Was there anything that I did before that was, I don't know. It was cheaper. It was cheaper a couple of months ago.
Huh.
Can't
get that old spec anymore. It's just.
I guess maybe the 16, the Ubuntu 16 version. Who knows? Anyway. So I enabled the guest OS diagnostics. There we go. Okay. So that's deploying, and that'll take a while. But then, so I need to work out how to allow you to SSH into it.
Mm-hmm.
So give others SSH access to Ubuntu. So, gosh. Anyway, it's time for the other meeting, and I'll have to go through doing this, and it will need to spend time creating it. So anyway, that's the Scrum. I'll maybe see you in the Website 1 meeting.
All right.